Hi, do you want to learn something interesting? Food or sex? What would it be if you didn't eat anything for days? Funniest question to share over the coffee table while in conversation with friends. I, myself, will always go for food, but mice showed some pretty intriguing behavior by being willing to socialize with the opposite sex even when hungry for several days. At the University of Cologne in Germany, a neuroscientist named Dr. Tatiana Korotkova and his team experiment to study the effect of the leptin hormone in decision-making, which is responsible for the activation of cells in the brain and promotes a feeling of fullness. Neuroscientists experimented on male mice by treating them with a technique that stimulates the effect of the leptin hormone, which sends a signal to brain cells for obesity suppression. It has been found that treated mice which were kept hungry for 5 days, elected to mate with the opposite sex instead of having a food bowl. Neuroscientists combine optogenetics and chemogenetic studies on male mice to observe the effect of the leptin hormone, which sends signals to brain cells for obesity suppression. The team observed that boosted food intake was marked by increasing reticence of a leptin receptor expressing LAPRLH subpopulation at a short period. In other words, LAPRLH neurons finite feeding or drinking fostered social interaction in spite of starvation but only in mild circumstances. The study found that our mind believes in one activity at a time. It can only pursue one behavior at a time, so our brain has to somehow compute what will be the most rewarding behavior, or what is our most important requirement. Generally, we think neurons have a particular role, but it is found that one unit can actually encrypt several stimuli. This study concludes that biological actions need to be managed, and it's much more efficient to coordinate behaviors with the same cell than by many different cell types somehow communicating with each other. Thereafter, we need to understand how the movement of these cells changes during the development of obesity or the expansion of eating disorders. We all agree that mice and human studies have a lot of similarities, but would you choose sex over food when hungry for days? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel The Research Mind.